my laptop last video. So what we did last video, wait for a moment. If you didn't see part one, you can see let's see. That is crazy. Yo, we're not gonna ignore that. Oh, shit. Oh, just, I got it. Circle. Look at this. What's circle? You see? I think it's like right here. Yes. We have to like follow it. I gotta like double check. So I feel like Fantastic can't be jump daycare, you know? Except with turn on generators instead. I think they got the idea from there. So that's, yep, it was, yeah, it's yellow. Circle. So yellow is circle apparently. But, yeah. I think I would have to go there. So it's yellow circle. I think we have to go where a blue one this time. So we're gonna go there. So oh no, I'm gonna fall. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Oh, red is stop. Red is a stop. What just happened? So red is this. So yeah, star is there. So I'm seeing that this will be like something. Then I think I have to switch around. Then I gotta go there as well. Oh my god, this game's kind of confusing. So let's go back, because let's be back here, expecting a jump scare. I'm really expecting. Oh no. Oh no. I I don't think there is no jump scare. Oh, green triangle. So the green is the triangle. So yeah, triangle will be. Oh. Damn. This is bad. Ah, blue is not a star. Okay, blue star. You know what I mean? But there's like so many jump scares at this point. So green. So yeah, the star. One of the colors. I forget. Oh no, blue was a star. This was a triangle. So red is a triangle. Short. This is a star. Star with them. I'm pretty sure that's correct. They just have it. I'm pretty sure we went to go back because we saw it somewhere. There's flip it and see. There's no star. Oh, this part's confusing. So why don't we just go back and check? Because I don't know if we got all of them. Yeah, we've been this support for 7 minutes. Okay. That sounds very proud of myself. So yeah, red is the star. Oh, that's what I didn't do. Red is star, but I put that triangle. So just go through this again. So red, yeah, green is the triangle, so I'm correct. Green is triangle. Then red with then blue will be. So red is the star instead, so I gotta just swap them. That's awesome. Back here. So this was a star. This was triangle. Oh. Hey, there we go. Alright. Now you can finally move on. Jeez, look how scary it is when you turn off this flashlight. I'm aware that this is chasing. I'm aware now that it just turned off my flashlight. Okay. I think it's because it's going to. No? Oh. Oh. That opens the door. Oh, from here. Yeah. Where are we going to? Oh, there's oh my! Oh my! Wow. Okay. You're called by Molly Call. Wow. Molly can repeat words that she heard. Don't be fooled. Jeez. Okay. So we weren't supposed to go there. Okay. So what I'm saying is that this is the first chase scene. Okay. So this time we know what to do. Go here. Door open. And we come back. You want to go back? I don't know if it's better or oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Go. Woo! Woo! security keys. Look at that. Look how secure
Welcome to the Rambley's Wranglers registered room. Here we have plenty of amenities and... Okay. I can see in your facial tracking that you're scared, angry, upset. Transparency is an important part of our policy here at Indigo Park, so...
How does a dead
I need to be honest about something. The park has been inactive for years. Employees stopped showing up, guests too. The mascots are... I just was so excited to see a visitor, and I wanted to be sure you were given the best experience possible. But I was confined to the entrance for so long, I didn't realize just how much disrepair the park has fallen into. Wasting all of your fun time. Sorry for the inconvenience. But, I have an idea. I have access to the repair documentation in my database. I just can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user. You must have come here because the park matters to you too, right? Would you be willing to help me restore the park?
Yeah.
I can see in your facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's get this place back in business.
Okay, but first open the door, please.
Okay, welcome to the crew, Rookie Wrangler. Registered. Your first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers, registered, is to get out of the Rambley's Wranglers registered room. Head left towards the Rookie Wrangler registered security room to set yourself free. Phew, kind of exhausting to say that whole spiel, but Rambley's Wranglers registered is a registered trademark.
Oh. Okay. That took a lot. Oh wow, okay. Well, that's okay. 2 deaths so far. Well, actually 3. Oh wow, I don't need to do this anymore. Start off on that. Kind of blame you or something.
Wow, you made it to Oceanic Odyssey. You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler.
You know what they should have done? They should have
You'll
done
find a
like,
potpourri of porpoises, pickerels, and perches as far as the eye can see. But please don't tap the glass. You never really know what lies beneath the surface.
that could lie beneath the surface, okay.
Hey Hey, buddy. You okay? You look kind of tired. Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself. But before you settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park? Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true. If you've got some time and you're up for a lark, stick around for the Rambly Review. I'm here to offer my best to each valuable guest I assist. And lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist. Let's try it. Were you satisfied with the rides? Yes or no? Were you satisfied with your guide? I sure hope so. Do you plan to come back? Will I see you again? Did your experience convince you to tell a friend about us? Did I earn your trust? At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. That is, if you want to keep going. Oh, idea! I know all of this isn't fair to you. It's an awful lot to ask. But here comes Rambly Review Part 2 to sell you on our task. I'm here to view and assess each valuable guest as I learn. And lots of happy feedback ensures you're gonna return. I'm so happy you rode a ride and saw the show. I'm so happy to be your guide. More than you know. So come back anytime. I'd love to see you again. In all my thousands of days, I've never had a friend like you. At least I hope I do. At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. Till all my old friends are united again, and I won't feel so left behind. Okay, I'll let you go. See you next time, buddy. Please?
Oh. Oh. Indigo Park is a full unpatched project that we've been working on a little over a year now. The stories and world that we want to create and Rambly and his friends are very special to us, but with the scale of this game, we're going to need some help. If you enjoyed the experience of Chapter 1, consider supporting socials if you want to see Chapter 2. No matter what happens, we hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you for visiting Indigo Park. Well, I indeed want a Chapter 2. I will gladly play that. I don't really care. I'll play it anytime, to be honest. Check out our channel. Let's check it out. Let's go check it out. Check it out. Oh, that's such a nice name.
About a week ago, I announced...
So... yeah, I'm sad it's, like, not really... like, at least I played it. At least. It was a good game. I hope there's a Chapter 2, like, soon. Y'all better start cooking on that right now. Because I will gladly play that immediately when I see it. Because that game was so fun. Wow, that game. Thank you for making that game. Just finished all my snack. just take a picture of that. Wow, that game was so good. Actually, I go to the. Oh no. That game was fun. Hope you know the locals, you did such a great job making the game, especially for us. But I'll be leaving now. See ya in the chapter 2 of the. It's going to be chapter 2. It's better not fun. This series should be going on. I don't know this. Most dogs that nowadays are better than Red Dragon is who I like. Ricky Lion, Ricky Sea or Sting, Randy Better, Rick,